folks, we would like to take this time to welcome on the Chat Bout Reggae forum and platform, Mr. Chucky B from the legendary group that is the Monsta Twinz. So Chucky B, forward, 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 forward. See? Yeah, man.
What go on, General?
Monster, man. Everything.
Yo, oh, you bad, sir. Yo, me can't keep on my seat, brother. I feel so up and down, because I move up and down.
Respect me, dad. Respect. Yo, so.
Yes, me done.
Yeah, man. So, first of all, people, we just like to introduce the living legend, the great Chucky B from the dynamic duo of dancehall, Monsta Twinz. Greetings, sir. Greetings.
Respect me, General, man. Respect, man. Appreciate it, man. What you mean, man? Candyman, man. You're one of the baddest distract me, I tell you. So you're bad, sir, man. You're there, man.
I'm basically, I'm just a fan of the works, and I'm there to echo the greatness of living legends. And of course, some of the man them will pass and gone and everything. But, you know, we serve, we try to do a service that, you know, not everybody caters for this type of things I cater for, because when tune vice, if them not bust, them gone, you know? And we have a
yes,
reggae dancehall culture that is very ungrateful, you know? So I try my best to pay homage and shine a light on the people them that people need for know, say, yo, them yeah man, they are the great
respect.
Man, them, you know? These are the legends and rare, you know?
Yes, man. People don't acknowledge that say legend, you know, man. Cause some people pass over the water and the bridge and don't realize the legend them were really do the thing in a dancehall. Somehow we don't get that respect and a credit they will forget. You see me I say? So homage like man to you, pay the respect away. The respect.
Yeah, man.
We set the foundation.
Yeah, man. Respect. So
we set the foundation, you know.
definitely.
Some other artists, even some before some other man, we say them are twin too. We are the first twins of the dancer.
Definitely. from
yeah,
like
man.
I said, from as early as I can remember, I can pinpoint 1997. Is that when you guys first came on the scene?
Yeah, but we first came on the scene, was recording, but we never get that extra break as yet.
Yes.
The break, when the break come in 2001, we Vice and the Juice Rhythm.
Yes, of course.
That was the break in 2001. But that time there was recording and building a little name.
Yes.
So people ask about when I say them youth and your Monsta Twinz. We like them energy, you know.
Yeah.
But if the real break come 2001 and the Juice Rhythm, Bagamanta.
Of course. So I just want to say before we get into it, I just want to acknowledge that you have many different partnerships, musical partnerships in the dancehall world, but I think for Monsta Twinz, in my personal opinion, you guys were carrying the torch of a dynamic duo that brought entertainment to the game and quality. Much like, I think it's fair to say you lot were kind of like an upgraded version of Captain Barky and Wicker Man from the 90s, you know? What do you say to that?
Well, we come on a Captain Barky. Yes, we are from them time, you know.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
We come on.
Yeah, man.
We are from the time and we come on a Captain Barky. Do them thing.
Yeah.
Them time we are more youth, follow up dancehall.
Yes, indeed.
You see me I say? I used to be a dancehall. We are for dancehall from about 93, 94.
Wow.
Before we even get no break.
Of course,
But me and the other Monsta was a single DJ.
See.
Me used to DJ by myself, him DJ by himself. So when we go to the studio now, the producer them say, look here, man, we can't invite you to our you know. I better do the combination. And from there we get fit on Monsta, you know.
So,
yeah, man.
I just wanted to clarify, the name Monsta Twinz, did that have anything to do with Monster Shop at the time?
Yes, man, because we used to go around Monster Shop them too. I was a kid in Arrows. We used to go around it, General B Ghost.
Yes.
So idolize General B around the Ghost in front of them time there. You understand? So we used to round them the Arrows and them rate us as a little young youth and them say we have the talent too.
Yes.
So we go for the name Monsta Twinz. Them love it. Them push it and say, yeah, man. We like them youth have vibe and them youth have respect with through the years. So try 2 hours too. And we have that twin looks. I used to just like, you know, long time before we name Monsta Twinz.
Yes, yes.
And then
yes.
one choose on Monsta Shack.
Yeah.
One of us, a switching of hours, said, no, you know, some Monsta Twinz enough name. Like how we run the Monsta Shack and things. So I say, a Monsta Twinz enough name, you know.
See.
I would say, no, so we love the name and name are bad. I would just run with it.
Yeah, man. Monster Man.
Monster Man.
So, okay.
Yes, sir.
So, as you already established, so the boss came in 2001 on the Juice Rhythm, which
on
was
the Juice Rhythm, yeah.
Yeah, which was the girl song, right? And
yeah.
What a lot of people don't know, and which I think is amazing that you were able to pull it off. It was one of the biggest. I say this with all respect. It was like one of the biggest robbery ever making of reggae music, right? Because at the time you had the Baby Sham song with them, Me and Them No Grounds, man, right?
Look at man, you know, say smart. But yeah, we don't talk. Yeah.
So the way
I know where you're getting at.
And gone with it, yo, the tune bad enough.
No, look at enough people ever know Baby Sham was talking, you know.
Yeah, we know that.
No people don't know that. But you always when I was a wife man, never know. Because we said this brother talk about being man. So we said, no, we have to correct this brother here, this bagger man talk, man. So that's it.
Wow.
I'll Baby Sham know about it.
Yeah, of course. It was done so neatly. I know that when people see this, they're gonna open up them and say, yo, yes. So but
yes,
that was
I know people never know it.
Amazing. That was amazing. You know, well done for that. So all right.
Respect.
So as you know, we are gonna talk about, I've picked 5, let's say, underground songs from the career of the Monsta Twinz them. And I'd like you to talk about some of the history behind the music, how it came about, what it was like with the producer, Ray Tete, all right?
Yeah.
So, the first song, we are going to start from the time after your boss. So, this is 2001, right? And this was a tune for the dub plate world. So, I would like you to talk about this one. I'm going to give you a little surprise with it as well. So, we're going to do the first song.
Yes, sir.
You ready?
Yeah, man, ready, man.
Monster Man! Twin! Monsta Twinz! Yeah! And a gun thing.
Whoa!
This bag of Monsta Twinz.
That's all right.
We not go work with that. No! This bag of Monsta Twinz.
Yes! Yeah!
We run up no fire gun. Some boy no know feel load gun. Them boy
Ooh! Yeah, man. Oh, you're bad, sir, man. All right, you see that tune you know? That tune you was the gun wave.
Hold on. All right, before you say anything, right? I'm just gonna play a little bit more and then I'm gonna hit the surprise, all right? So hold on. Yeah? Before you talk about the rhythm on the song. All right, boom. All right, let's just start it where we gun. Me a back home and black gun. In a back me back gun. And a fella me shotgun. When me some gun. Good gun me fire me no fire no back gun. And take with gun. Me a bust it back gun. Gun have no fire flap gun. And pick me bust back gun. Me no easily drop gun. Nobody can stop gun. Me a gun Santa Claus. Present me a rock gun. Every gun a over gun. That give me some power gun. Gun dirty and me flow a gun. Me but me no slow a gun. Just take one over gun. Me slow a over gun.
Whoa! Oh! Yo! Right now, you surprise me with them song right now. Candyman, right now you surprise me. You remember the device them song there. All right. It's all right. It's all right. All right. You see the history? You want me to explain now? You see the history behind this gun song is is the girl song.
Yes, of course.
The history for this gun song, you know, in them long time, there's an artist who build them hit song, them have part, them have gun song feet, them have all kind of version feet. So that was the gun song for Bagaman Talk.
Yeah, man.
The gun way for Bagaman Talk. Real gun has no fire. Yeah.
What? Of course.
That was Mr. G, you know.
Man, we don't know.
Young, all right, Young Blood record. We might have a Young Blood record. You see?
Yeah.
It was a gun, the dub session way now for girl. You understand? So we got the gun way now.
Of course.
The girl, that's all. Because you don't know artists have the dub plate food, so we have to have the dub plate style feet. And at them time there, you know, artists, when them sing them hit song, you have dub plate style feet too. You remember them days there?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Definitely.
All right.
You have gun song, you have the God, yeah, man. Yeah.
Yes, man. So Mr. G now, him play a lot in our career. You see me, I say, Mr. G, when we have the girl song, Bagaman Talk with Juice Rhythm, TOK alone was on the rhythm playing.
Yes.
And we run Mr. G, and Mr. G, he DJ that girl song and the Juice Rhythm. And Mr. G say, yo, Shams, yo, me have two youth and them bad, them have the girl song, it fit the rhythm, it bad. And Mr. G go look for Shams, knock down Shams' door.
Yeah.
And call out Shams, I say, Shams, hear this. And so we get to voice on the Juice Rhythm. So Mr. G, voice we know, and theme rhythm now, the Young Blood, the gun we know, and this rhythm, and that rhythm what was playing.
Yeah, man. Of course. So, for the first time, so you obviously, as I just played, you have two songs for the rhythm. Because you have a girl too. Yeah, man.
Yes. So we say, look at now, we say, no, with the gun way now go play on the radio. The gun way go play in the dance. So we have to have a girl song. We can play on the radio. That's how we fight the girl one. You understand? Because we are saying, no, we have to have a girl song because the gun song now go play. The gun song is prepared for the dancehall. So we have to have a girl song to play on the radio. So that's how we get to voice that one now. And they said Young Blood record label.
Yeah, of course. And as far as I can see from my own personal collection, it's the only rhythm that I have with Monsta Twinz where you voice two tunes on the rhythm.
Yes, man, because I said, no, man, because Mr. G was a man where I work with a career and him give you that ratings as a youth. Him said you are bad. So I can't voice him one time. I have to give them two voice pan rhythm because I might DJ them, and Mr. G, they believe in our thing. So I have to put home so Mr. G listen to him, you know?
Definitely.
Goofy, you know?
Yeah, man. General, real general there. Definitely.
Real general, man. Enough people help the business.
Yeah, indeed. So,
yes, I.
All right, then. So, okay, so
so
we're going to go. So that was 2001. I was going to play another one from Mr. G, but I'm not going to go there. We're going to fast forward a little bit to the year of 2004. All right? And I'm going to play one of the baddest rhythm from out of 2004. There was an album for this rhythm, right? It was a huge rhythm.
Yes, sir.
But for some reason, your song was not on the album because VP and Greensleeves, they didn't always put every single tune on the rhythm on the album. On the rhythm, right? On the album, yes. So what a lot of the selectors used to do, we used to get the album because we're lazy and then miss out the tune and went up on 45 and them gone by the wayside. See it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is where people like me come in, the collector them, we have the tune them and say, no, sir, them tune your bad song too.
So you mean? Respect, you mean, man, Candy? You're the man for girl them.
So, yeah, man. So, when I'm going to play this rhythm, I know enough of the people them out them yeah, I'm going to pop out of them because them don't know them song there, right? And it was an iconic.
I'll see me I pop out.
Yeah, man. So, hold on there. You ready? So
yes,
this
man.
Is song number 2.
Damn it.
All right, so let's roll.
Damn it.
Whoa. Whoa. Where you find them singer, man? so youth? Oh, you're bad, sir?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
That song was with Scatterburrell.
Yes. King of King record, yeah. Wow.
Scatterburrell, that song. Respect again, Scatterburrell, because Scatterburrell is a man we say, yo, Monsta Twinz are some good artists, them. So he used to voice us to, you know. Remember, I used to left road to, you know. So you go to him and link him, he say, yes, you. And Monsta Twinz name, you know. Iridium phone, so just give it the Iridium them.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Yo, you're surprised with that song, man.
Well, you know, so, oh man, so imagine, so this again, like I said, it's a very iconic rhythm, and it's a shame that it didn't make it on the album, because more time when the selector them I play upon the radio or in a dance, them just play the tune with they on the album or rare, them never bother about rare. So it's a shame, you know, that it didn't go that way. But you know, what I like to do, I like to shine a light on some of the hidden gems in our culture so that we can appreciate love the genius works, you know. So definitely
respect.
Salute, sir. Yeah, man.
Salute,
yeah,
man. Respect, man. You see, yo, they give you different respect, you know, because man like you know the business and you know good artists, you appreciate good artists, me I tell you.
Yeah, man.
You're part of your column in the business,
yeah,
me I tell you, Candyman. Me tell you that.
Respect. Well,
yes, man.
I've actually shared this with other artists, but before I started what I'm doing now, you know, speaking to the artists them about the music, rare, I was talking to and in contact with Mr. Chicken 1 week before I'm gone, you know.
Wow, so John Monsta,
yeah,
rest in peace.
So it was the week after that me I will a reason with Archive, and then this thing started, you know. Hawkeye was the first one, and I was like, you know what? If I can do my best to do my thing, cause I don't have a big forum or a big platform, and I'm not even like, let's say, a big name in the UK, but I'm a collector of the music. I'm a fan, me love it, and I know that, like I said before, it's like when it comes to reggae dancehall in particular, we have a very short memory and very ungrateful to the people that we paint the picture. You know, music is the soundtrack to our lives. You know.
For real.
So when we hear a song, it brings back memories of dead and loved ones and rare, and that's how powerful the music is. You are there prison and not have no music for you, but it's in your heart, you know. So man like you, living legend, we have to prop you up and say, yo, put some strike on the general them and say, big up. You see?
Respect Candyman, appreciate it, sir. True word, brother. Because enough people attend for past good artists who could have make major history in the business. We get no fight as Monsta Twinz, I tell you, Candyman. We get no fight, and we could have been one of the biggest. We could have crossed dancehall to that height, but we get so many fights because dancehall don't appreciate the good artists them.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Them don't appreciate the good artists them and push the good artists them. We can bring dancehall to that forefront.
Yes.
We know we could have been doing that.
Definitely.
But should we get a fight in the business certain way to we couldn't get to push the music or we want push it.
Yeah. Yeah.
The level of the music, you know?
Yeah.
Which because is, you know, some man attend for label some set of artists and label out as a label thing, you understand?
Yeah, of course. What I'm saying,
so them oversee, yes, so them oversee good artists. I say we have to pay homage to man like you. We appreciate good music and good artists. That make you be a legend. Trust me. Respect, not a follower.
Respect on others.
Yes,
well,
man.
You know,
yes,
I believe we all have our part to play, and we all are a piece, big, small, or whatever, of the puzzle, you know, and we make the picture of history and the music and the legacy of great reggae dancehall, the baddest music on earth. John, see it?
For real, Candyman, for real. Because right now the music boil down, you know. The music no substance again. Because the man have a thing when he trap. And it come like a rap. You see me, I say we not fight against no music, but
no.
The man they boil down dancehall right now.
Yeah, man. Me not fight, I mean, can you them have them own or something, you know, just like how
and them do them thing.
Yeah, man. Dancehall evolved from reggae, rock steady, reggae, and the same way we are cuss about trap, it's the same way man did a cuss about Super Cat, Ninja, and Shabba them and Johnny.
That's true.
Yeah.
For real.
But we, the reggae dancehall fans, would love to hear more reggae dancehall because during the days of Shabba and them and the Clementine and all of them, Bailey and Flowergan, we still had Gregory, and we still had John Holt, we still had Dennis. You know what I say? So we still had that. So what we would like to see and hear more of is authentic, the dancehall where we love, alongside the trap, whatever do where you Afro beats and you know whatever.
Thank you very much, sir. You just get to the point.
Yeah.
Now if I get some music, but you're doing your trap, make sure you have your one drop said way. Don't let out one drop out of dancehall. That's what the man them doing. And mash the music. Don't let out your authentic beat either. If you even your trap, don't let out your boom, boom, your bass and your kick drum. Have that in your trap same way. If you signify dancehall different, don't let out reggae.
Definitely.
Don't let out reggae. I remember one time you used to have the singer them, when they have DJ like Degree them, Bounty Beanie them, you have Go Sanchez them, you know, have them something again in the dancehall. It's just one thing now. So that's why dancehall do nice again.
Yeah, exactly. Well, it's my mission to try and preserve as much as we can, because of course times must and always does change, but
yeah, for real,
we need to preserve the golden something that people don't appreciate too much, because right now we have a whole heap of new artists in all kind of different music genre, but you still have your Stevie Wonder them, Marvin Gaye, and you know what I say? So that we did want to do for reggae dancehall, keep the old school something well and alive. So when they want to hear some old school, you can't find it right here, sir. And it's not the same old rare because me I dig deep, you know.
That's make you go be different and stand out, different from some man. Because some man is not a leader, them a follower. Look here, it's America have them all artists and appreciate them all artists said we whatever have the new artists. Jamaica don't do that. That's what you said. You said the right thing. We attempt to kick our house artists under the carpet.
Yeah.
You understand? So we don't respect and we don't realize and pay homage to our all artists. So that again mash up dancehall and reggae music.
Yeah, man.
We just say a while ago, Candyman, you lick the nail on the head. And that is so true.
All right then. Man, we could go on and on, but before we go to the next one, obviously we're talking about old school vibes and rare. So I'm gonna drop out Monsta Twinz song with Ono Vice for the 80s rhythm. All right.
But the 80s rhythm. Yo, so much song we have in the Candyman. You can't keep up, you know.
But released 2005. All right. So.
Yes, sir.
You can remember that tune, yeah, and remember what it was like, you know, with the producer and Rare and how the song came about. All right. So this is song number 3.
All right, Madonna.
Living legend that is Chucky B from Monsta, man.
It's all good, baby. It's all crazy.
All right, hold on.
Never.
Hold on.
Yeah. Gold. Yeah. Yeah. Man chatting the swan the right now, I say. Condom sex. No random sex. No random sex.
Wow.
The safe sex is the best. But most. All boys and girls. Yeah, got to protect yourself, you know. Yeah. All ladies and all in this time. But anyway, bad man no more blows up. But come on, y'all send it on. See that again. Send me on, I'm making it on the road.
Bam.
Bad man no more blows up. But come on, y'all send it on. See that again. Send me on, I'm making it on the road.
Bam.
Now, y'all me without me to rest. Woman a bless some above and so me long love. Y'all but they look so me now left me short time. Before me take some and go with some panta. Y'all say I'm me one still and if you family that
Bam.
we look me rough rider. Y'all are me best friend with me ex-team. I'm a fuck y'all like Harley and Tupac. Bad man no more blows up.
What's up? Pull up that. It's all gravy. It's all good, baby.
Yo. So, you know me, I said, so much, whole heap of bad song, you know, I don't get alone, you know. Whole heap of tune.
Me know. We're full of song, man.
Whole heap.
Candyman.
Wow.
Hear me, I say, man. You know, I put that to the world, to the people, them.
Yeah.
We don't really know how Monsta Twinz career, and we find so many songs.
Yeah, of course.
Enough people understand how great we is, you know.
Yeah.
But you say a man like you will know the greatness, and you are gonna bring the greatness towards them.
Yeah, man.
Up to me, never remember that song there, no?
Damn it!
You're damn right. Damn.
so that
Candyman, you're the boss.
Yo, respect, yo, respect. So that song there, so that was released with BBG. Jammy's picked it, right?
Yes, I. We used to fight Jammins them too.
Yes, of course.
We used to fight Jammins them, BBG them too. We record for so many big producers, may I tell you.
Definitely. And that's some...
in them time there. Yeah, in them time. Yeah, the way I said. No,
I was just about to say that you guys have been on. I mean, you've worked with every iconic producer I can think of. The only label I haven't seen you on that I can remember, Bobby Digital and Steely and Cleavy. Even though I know you worked with Steely and Cleavy as people were Bill Iridium, Rare, but those were the only labels I didn't really see you on. But everything else, you worked with damn near all of the top producers. Them, it's crazy.
Yeah, we never get to fight Steely and Cleavy them and Bobby Digital them. Cause in them time there. We don't know what they go on still. We just never get in contact with them. But I know Steel is a man in different.
Yeah.
And him head just act.
Yeah.
And face a certain way. So at the time we never really get to fight. Steel may see the soul rest in peace, you know?
Definitely.
We never get to fight Steel and Bobby Digital them time there.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
I don't remember why, but we never get to fight them still.
So
otherwise every producer Sly and Robbie.
Yeah, of course.
The whole world.
Yeah. So what I mean for you hearing these rhythms now, like we played the Della Move rhythm just a while ago. How does it make you feel? You hear all of these iconic rhythms and we did Vice through Panoramic here. How let me know what's going on up there.
Yo, me general, me feel proud of myself because I say for real.
Yeah.
I so much work we do. John, I have to pay homage to myself, me I tell a Candyman, because I say, God, I have so much work.
Yes.
It make me feel so good in myself. It's say, people acknowledge it, the work, and gone exactly to the wayside. And
yes.
As I said, I lift my hat to you again, and I appreciate it, sir. I respect you. I want to column them in the music because you're different, and you're not a follower, you're a leader.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Me feel so good in myself, man. I tell you. Respect, man.
Respect. Yo, so, of course, so we have... officially, we have two more, right? So I'm gonna play one of my favorite rhythms of all time. All right. Now this one was released in 2006, and it was a rhythm that has three rhythms in one. All right, and each of the rhythm then bud and iconic, but. I did rinse out the rhythm the other day, but I missed out your one because we did want to play it in ya. You know what I mean? I said so.
Yeah, but I understand, man.
And tell me what you can remember working with these guys. Now, this particular producer, in my opinion, is the baddest overall producer from the 2000 era. He's the 2000 Steely, in my opinion.
Yeah.
So, what?
All right.
All right. So, I'm gonna play it, and you can tell me what you remember.
Damn it!
Okay. Enough girl me love and every one of them a big me up. Number one love up on the carter when them put me up. Can't forget the love in that's why them a feel love me up. Give them girl a love me for them mother them a set me up.
Them a set me up.
Would I make them girl a give me up. All of me girl them want me.
All of me girl them a hold me up.
And me a master up. Love them like a man say me love them and rough them up. Give her it good. Give her it good. Give her it good. Give her it good. Pull up that. All right, Candyman. That was for War 21.
Yes, of course. Suku.
Cuddly them and Suku them.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, so if it's Gallem Wawi, the Gallem Wawi, and Shams label again. That was the part 2 for Gallem Wawi.
See there.
That was a follow-up. Give her it good after we say Gallem Wawi. We have to give her it good now after Chihuahua, you know.
Yeah, man.
So we can't say them Wawi and then we don't give them it good.
You have to give it good.
All right. So that was the War 21 now. Suku and Countley.
Yes.
So over it's girl them wow, we know. We say we have to get a part 2
Yes.
for girl them wow.
Yeah.
We have to get it to the girl them good now. So we link up with Suku them, and there that was that song.
Wow. And so as I said, it's three rhythm with them built in a one. So you have the bada bada, the giant rhythm, and
Yes.
the Elias. Bad belly rhythm.
In a one, the man them build it. Yes, for sure me that.
Bad.
Bad. I know so them man, there's some bad DJ, some bad producer them to them sick them the way there.
Yes.
Them mad and we mad. So a couple of madman link up. Yes.
So all right. So I don't like to get I'm not a media guy, so I don't usually ask media questions. But you know, you're here, so we have to ask. So what's going on right now with the dynamic duo? Because you are holding the page, yes, but we don't see any sign of Ringo. Everything good with Ringo?
Yeah, man, Ringo, you know, say him good still. Him there cross the next state. We still link up.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but you don't know in life, sometimes life get kind of like a rough, yeah, you know. Each man have to go them ways. We have to keep them with certain things we have to take care, right, you know.
Definitely.
But we have to come together said way because we have to come together said way. If it come to the tests, in the Cali me they right here in Maryland. So we are in the same country. So when it comes to if it really come to that test, we'll link again. I will still call one that we still link up. We still record same way. Nothing don't change. But you don't know. Each man have them responsibility to them have to deal with. So
yeah, definitely.
We have to just deal with it. Definitely. And when the music call we again, we just come together and we just have to do it.
Yeah, man. Because I mean, me understand because it's coming like a tree. The tree starts as a root, it grow, and then the branches, you know, grow them way, you know. So such is life, as we say. All right, we wait till him forward.
Yeah, Candyman, repeat that. I get lower.
Yo, me say, you know, like I see that plant and then the tree grow, but it grow like this. Yo, you can't see me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so the tree grow and it grow like this and the branch, them, but at the same tree, we keep it united, you know? So, you know, it's good to hear that you guys are good and that there's more music coming, Rere. You can't hear me good?
No, it gets so low, you know? It gets so low a while ago, so.
Okay.
But I hear what you said, though.
Okay.
I hear you said it's good to the tree.
Yeah.
The root, and we hear same way.
Yeah.
One of them no call him Duppy, you know?
Yes.
We there same way, and the tree, the branch is there same way.
Yes, perfect. Yes.
You see me, I say, so we are all on from that dream same way, and anything can go on. Kalpan Gully Bop. One day Gully Bop was in the gully, and him come out of the gully and be one of the biggest stars.
Yeah.
The picture Monsta Twinz did have a little name out there. You never can tell.
You never can tell.
Something go billboard for you, and we have to just venture back the music again, the way out to venture. Because what don't dead, don't dash away.
Of course, outside of hype, please, I beg you, just keep doing what you're doing, because whether the tune them boss or not, the quality is there, and whoever the tune them is supposed to reach, it will reach them, and we will appreciate love the music we want to put out, you know? So just keep up the vibes and keep going.
Yeah, man, respect for that Candyman, man. You mean, man, respect, and I appreciate that, man, because you see this is what you do. You push more encouragement to me for just push on and just do the thing and for just push out there, because right now we have some new thing that come out with me and TOK even now.
Yes.
We do have Flex and TOK. I have a track with me and Flex and TOK to come out right now. We have a video that track. We don't really get the name for it as yet because we're still working on the project, you understand?
Yes.
So we're still doing music. We have Monsta have a song right now supposed to be coming out. We're working on our Monsta Twinz album, because right now Monsta Twinz don't have an album as yet.
Of course, yeah.
So people is waiting out for that.
Yes.
So we are trying that. Is that right now being working on right now to get the album out there? Because you never can tell that album can be a Billboard album or a Grammy album. So we have to put the album out there, compile some tune together, and give the people my album. Because I know them don't get an album from the Twins.
Yes.
After the dancehall.
And we'd have loved that, you know. The dynamic duo dancehall.
Yes, I say.
Yeah, man. All right. Oh, wow. That's good. That's great news. So, all right. So one more tune. Again, me love that rhythm, yeah. I think it's an iconic rhythm. And we're gonna go to 2007, right?
Yeah.
And Me love that tune, yeah, by the way. This tune, yeah, bad. And as usual, I mean, as you notice, I'm not playing the so-called the hits them or the big tune them. I'm playing the underground gems more time, you know. But this one is definitely one that I felt should have been up there. But you know, so it go. You know, so it go. All right, you ready?
I saw it go, man. Yeah, man, for real, for real.
You can't hear me good?
It kind of lowers a little, but you know.
Oh wow! All right, hopefully.
Still an area.
All right, so hopefully you can't hear the song. So all right, so this is the last song, song number 5, and you can tell me what we need to know about this rhythm and working with this iconic producer. All right, so hold on.
Oh, you mean, man?
Yo, me have a new name for the girl, them are just like all of them. What a name? Karate. All the girls that we know, so there's no karate. No more, you know. My girl just step out, from your ever look at, never stop, and you know just like karate. Step out,
Karate.
never look, please, use never leave, and you know look like my girl just step out, from your ever look at, never flop, and you know just like karate. Step out,
Karate.
never look, please, use never leave, and you know look like karate. Stepping at the beat, you like walk out, and in a walk out, you have your things start out. Oh, your man a treat you, it's a real some hard out, man, you know what from your karate. Show them you say you can't key, and no skin beauty, but with the marky. Greater you have and them and use walkie talkie. You're young, you know all like we come and can't party. Step out.
Big song.
The man says she young, she don't favor Wickerman and Captain Barky.
Yo, you know, so keep Captain Barky and Wickerman are some Shaggy's man, them, you know. So you have to put them as some humorous things because it's the man them as some drama man them. So we hear Wickerman and Captain Barky is another story that again make the song humorous and people want to laugh. That song was before Hurricane Boyd. I believe that was Hurricane Boyd.
This was DJ Kareem, Stainless label.
Oh, DJ Kareem. Oh, DJ yes. Kareem, sorry.
Yes.
I try to voice so much song, I get so confused, man. Sorry for that, man. Yeah. So many songs.
Yeah, man. That tune there and the rhythm just bad it up.
I was still on the rhythm too.
Big time. Yeah, man. Definitely. One of the baddest something from the rhythm still. Me love it.
True, and get watch out. That song they never get the justice where it forget either, you know. It never get that justice there. Enough big song where forget the justice and push the music to the forefront. You don't get the justice, then push some other song where when a bad like might be true, I might be a man of a bigger name, them feel like, so them push that song more, which them should push the song where have that caliber we can go far and push the music far. Yeah. That's the dancehall thing going on, man, in Jamaica man, when definitely. In those times. I know.
Well, I'll say this. I think, in my opinion, all right, from the gal song bus, right? I don't think anybody expected the tune to be that big. Because it's not like you had the big names, but big names were under rhythm and your tune bust past the whole of them.
Sure. Watch a man.
For real. So it shows that you don't have to have no big name as long as you have bad quality artists.
Big song.
The artist make the music and just make the music bust and do its own magic. But unfortunately, this reggae dancehall thing that we're in is very wagonistic, you know? With
yes, man.
And hype and rare, and you know, that's the sad thing about our music genre, you know?
That's the sad thing. We see the history behind girl.
Yeah.
When we voice that song, you know, man. We voice that song, you know. We, as what you said, we was the only young artist. A big giant on that rhythm.
Yes.
Bounty Beanie, Sham,
yeah.
T.O.K. A big artist on the rhythm. We was the only young artist on that rhythm.
Yeah.
And our song can be one of the biggest songs on the rhythm.
Yeah.
Amongst T.O.K.'s song and some rest of song.
Yeah.
Because that song was so bad and spill over upon them.
Yeah.
It's when that song get Jamrock first played that song. Jamrock was playing that song and Stole Love and Jamrock was in a dance and Jamrock Stole Love first was playing and Stole Love play everything off of the rhythm and don't play our song. And when Jamrock come in, Jamrock I say that was youth from Yogurt from Jamrock. The man say, yo, Stole Love. Oh, no, if you play Juicy, the man will play that song. I say when the man goes to Candy and play the song, the girl them start going bad. And man, stole of shame and stole of say, oh, me not have that, oh, me not play that song, yeah. You see, from that, stole of make sure that song be one of me and Pam list when stole of said, bust the place. That's old music go.
Yes, yes.
I never forgot that, the general. When Jamrock, Yogurt from Jamrock jacked that song, and stole of play every rhythm, every artist and that rhythm and didn't play our song. And when stole of say, the homage of song get and the big and the girl my wine and a tick tap on the head. Stole of say me shame like that, me happy. Start have a song and I'm juggling.
Yeah, definitely.
And that's how the song boss.
Wow, wow. I just think, me as a youth, when it comes to the juggling something rare, I do not play a song because it is a bounty killer song, or if it is a, because Spragga Benz and Mega Banton, Archive them, Alicat, them man are my DJ, you know, right? But
yeah,
I don't play them because them are my DJ. Me play them because the tune them bad. Come in a bias.
Bad, yes.
Come in a bias. See? So
for real.
And that take dancehall.
That's why some man, I tell you how some man stay. You know, I cut you.
Yeah.
For real, when you're talking about some man just play name.
Yeah.
And pass big song. That's the problem with some man, you know.
Yes.
It's not the artist, you know. It's the song speak for itself. You see, from a song bad, you don't care who the guy is.
Exactly.
From song bad.
Exactly. And
that's different with enough man.
A man can make a bad song, and more time, one bad song followed by a whole fleet of next bad song. Because if you can make quality, the quality don't stop. But our industry, for some reason, life will boil down fire and out people fire, you know. Because one day we spoke to Gabriel, right? Remember that you when
Gabriel,
Jamaica, we need a just corporation.
We need about corporation. Yeah, we know that song.
You would bust out a gate and mash up the whole place. And then about a year or 2 years later, we don't hear nothing from him because them boil him down and them fight against him hard enough. But the tune them bad. So at that reggae dancehall I suffer from, and I think this is one of the main things we catch Monsta Twinz now, why we don't hear the different tune them way of. Because girl can play every single day in every dance. We hear that all the while, which is supposed to play everywhere because the tune bad. But you have a whole army of song. We go by the wayside and nobody not play them, you know.
True. Yeah, real talk can't make man because enough song will go by the website because what? True politics. You see, politics have a lot to do in Jamaica. And them style for some great artists, may I tell you, Candyman.
Yeah.
The man them style for some great artists who could have make a change in dancehall. Because even girl them one way. Girl them, yeah! That go on the chart in Jamaica.
Yeah.
That be on the chart about a couple weeks well.
Wow.
Girl them one way.
Yeah.
On the Shams label.
Yeah.
You understand? That song go good for us too, you know. We touch stage and say the truth, we talk and we don't lie, we have the girl them by ya. And next month a DJ that part of me come in and say, the girl them one! You say when most stretch your mic, the whole of Jamaica sing, yeah! I don't have to sing a note.
Yeah, man. Wow.
So
yeah.
The man them.
Go on. Yeah.
Yeah, me done. So the man them have a way of stifle good artists and good talent. As we say, Gabriel, you have enough more artists we get stifled to. Not Gabriel alone, you have other more artists where they get that real breaker out there the real way, and the man them was politics, the man them stifle them artists that we could have make the music even greater. Because me have myself as a big superstar, I could have been crossing over to foreign kids and to sell that product to all these people over this England side, the US side. We could have been one of these big giants, you know. But all the man them fight the thing in Jamaica and hold on good artists. We don't get to reach there the way or we want to reach it. So me have to dance so that a part of the thing in the thing, you see it? So me have to homage people like you, a man like you, we idolize good talent. You know, respect definitely. Star, we appreciate you.
Definitely. So I mean, I say this to everybody that I have the privilege to share my forum with. I say that, you know, if you lose money, you can make back a whole heap if you have it in you. If you lose girl, you can get back 4, 5 if you have it in you. But when you spend time, brethren, that gone forever. So I just want to salute to you who have decided to spend your time with me and us here today, because time is something that's spent that you will never get back. So I really want to
for real, my dad.
Homage to you, because whole heap of things you could have do for the day and rare. And we are salute you as one of the dancehall legend them. And I'm so glad you've given me this opportunity to do so. So respect to you, sir. And yeah, man.
Thank you, sir. Man, see him.
Yo,
see him to you, my dad, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. We are look forward to the works, you know, King. Definitely.
No, man, we don't give up, man.
Yeah.
Candyman, we don't give up no time at all. And guess what? Respect to you, too, because me not gonna lie, I put me at and lift up to you for acknowledge.
Yeah, man.
So we're about same way.
Yes.
Yes, I say because you could have do your other business same way. You still acknowledge, say, yo, it's a Monsta Twinz them have to get a review. Those artists are some good artists in the days. So I have to give you respect for that. And that's why you're going to be standing out more than some man, because you're a leader. You say, me I say, and a leader ever been standing out, because I put my hat to you, because this way I do this different, you know.
Respect.
Candyman, this way I do different. So I lift my hat to you, and I appreciate it too, you know. Because you make me back in the light again, people can know for me there. Because no people say, where them youth are there? You say, me I say about, you make them know for me there now. Can say, oh, we don't watch Candyman, you know. And man tell me this and tell me that, say we can boom bang on that. You see me I say? So,
yeah, man.
Respect.
So, all right. So before we leave, just want you to confirm, just for the sake of people who want to contact the dub plate, or if they want vice tune or rare, what's the best way to get hold of you?
You can for my Instagram, chuckyb.com. chuckyb78.com by my Gmail.
Yeah.
You see me I say, people want to get to me, them can get to me about them. chuckyb.com. Gmail, I understand?
Yeah, man.
But the most part, them can get to me pan.
Yes.
You see me I say? So you want to get to Chucky B, you know, say Chucky, just type in chuckyb.com 78 Gmail, and you will get you with Chucky.
Wow.
You see me I say, if I get you with Chucky, you get you with Monsta Twinz.
Yeah, man, definitely. Yo, big man, we just want to heal you up again and pay homage to the
respect me, Dan.
That is Chucky B from Monsta Twinz. Because me know what, if anything, you know, anything negative can happen where a man pass and gone, and then people are about, yo, Monsta Twinz them, Chucky B them did bad, you know. Ray.
Sure.
This, and we wish we would do that. No, sir. We have to pin him up now and say, yo, you're a bad artist, you know, and we love and we rate you. So, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, respect, man. Look at, man, you see this way you do? Yeah, this gone down in history, you know.
Yeah, man.
This gone down in history. You see me I say, so this way you do, my general, my respect, as I say, me keep on repeating the same thing, I pay homage. You understand? Because this way you do, it's gone on a history. So who never did see me now and know with there, them can say, yo, me see him now.
Yeah, man.
And Candyman show. You see me I say?
Yes,
Reggae Chat Bout.
Yes,
you see me I say, so you make this possible for me now, for people can say, yo, look out and call out, more people can call out, say they want interview and more, this and more, that same way.
Yes.
So people never know where we're there, you know.
Exactly.
So this is a good platform and appreciate it, sir.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself. All right, then, King.
Yes, man.
Respect here, sir. Blessed love. Say it.
All right. Damn it! Yo, I'm do some jingles for you, you know, man. So just link me, man, and you don't know one link here.
Yo, respect, King. Bless up here.
All right. Bless up yourself. Bless up yourself.
Boom, boom,
Damn
boom,
it!
boom, boom.
Candyman is ready to take over the music planet. All right, my boss. Big time. Yeah, man.
Respect. Wow.
All right.
Yeah, man.